going to show you how you can manage your background screening process with Zinc through our new and exciting Workday integration. In the Workday platform, you're going to select on the candidate you want to move forward into the background screening process. Once that's done, you'll be assigned a task. Navigate to your tasks and click on the latest notification. You'll then be asked what package you want to send out to that candidate. Packages can be fully customized within the Zinc platform to suit your candidate's needs. Once you submit that package, a notification will be sent by email to the candidate for them to complete their background screening. After the checks have been sent out to the candidate, you'll have full visibility of the candidate's progress. The screening process can also be tracked under a candidate's file. In the Workday platform, search for your candidate, then navigate to the screening section under the candidate's file. In this section, you'll be able to see a full history of their screening reports. This includes the status of a candidate's file, the last time the status was updated, and a breakdown of every check that has ever been completed on your candidate. As well as this, any actions will be highlighted to you and your team. For example, reviewing a candidate's file after the completion of all of their checks. And that's how easy it is to manage the Zinc background screening process through Workday.